Be traveling through Missouri. Just 50 miles south of St. Louis lies the town of Bonne Terre. Underneath that town, there is a large lead mine that started mining operations in 1864. The mine closed operations in 1962. While mining operations were underway, they used large pumps to keep the mine dry. After mining operations ceased, they stopped pumping the water out. The bottom levels have now been flooded, making the largest underground lake at about 1 billion gallons. There are two ways to check this interesting underground mine out. The first way is a 60-minute walking/boat tour. They'll take you past huge pillars, old mining tools. You'll get to see one or two of the trout that reside in the lake, which were artificially placed there. They also have some underground flower gardens and other things to see. At the end of the tour, you'll take a nice boat ride over the top of the billion-gallon lake. They have stadium lighting that illuminates down into the depths quite deep. Even when the water's 40 feet deep, you can see mining cars and mining tools all the way to the bottom. The second way to view this mine is by diving it. They have their own dive operation that takes guided tours in over 20 trails. They have 500 watts of stadium lighting that illuminate most of the way. Your tour guides will also have flashlights in order to point out interesting features of the mine. One of which is a 200-foot solid rock pillar rising from the depths. You'll see many mining artifacts such as mining cars and pickaxes, trails, pipes, everything that has to do with the mine, along with the elevator number 1, which goes 200 feet all the way to the bottom. The shaft is still present. The elevator is, well, missing in action. The water temperature is 58 degrees year-round, so it definitely is a wetsuit and or dry suit dive. And the air temperature is approximately 62 degrees year-round. Of course, since it's underground, the above-ground weather doesn't change the below-ground weather very much. If you're worried about lead in the water, we were informed on the walking tour that lead ore is actually not poisonous until it's smelted into the lead that we typically use. So the water is actually tested frequently and incredibly clean, as it is the town's drinking water. If you would like to learn more about this feature and or get tickets, you can go to bonneterremine.com and check out all they have to offer. If you liked this video and want to see more, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified every time we upload new videos. If you're interested in full-time RVing info other than videos, check out our website, henleyshappytrails.com. Don't forget to become a subscriber over there because we have a weekly newsletter that we send out with exclusive RVing content. Thank you, and happy trails.